The current situation makes you unsure about your future, and you would like to be financially independent. Click on the link near this video to access a series of free videos that show you the next step to take to start your own online business. If you are unsure about your future, it means that you are probably losing your job, or that your company is or will be strongly affected by the current crisis and is not moving in the right direction. Some company may even force you to do things that you don't like and that doesn't match your belief, which is not what you want in life. Did you know that you can learn how to start your own online business to be financially independent? This way you can regain control of your life and become a decision maker again. This means that you can be completely independent, so that you have the time and financial independence to decide how much time you spend on your business and with your family or your passion. Click now on the link next to this video to get access to a series of free videos that show you the next step to take to start your own online business and achieve time and financial independence in your life. The free video series show you a new business model that lets you create a new revenue stream to supplement your current income and then be able to replace your current income fully so that you can escape any corporate job. If you still have a job, you can start this business in addition to your current job and only resign when you have replaced your current income. You progress at your own pace and totally reduce the risk of starting a new activity. The free video series show you how you can leverage the new online economy, which lets you decouple the time you spend working from your income, like in any 9-to-5 job. Stop trading your time for money anymore. The time you spend to put a product online is not linked to your earning. Your income is related to the number of products you sell. And if you can sell one, you can sell 1,000. With the right tools, you can't fail in this new activity unless you give up. The free video series show you how you can start your business and transition from the traditional economy to the online economy and the laptop lifestyle. This crisis-proof business model works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year long and worldwide. This allows you to take back control of your life. You know, working on your passion is effortless and not a job at all. All you have to do is reskill yourself, and you can join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs ready to help you achieve your goal and live your best life. Click now on the link near this video to get access to a series of free videos that show you the next step to take to start your own online business and achieve time and financial independence in your life. Take my cousin, for example. He works in a large company in the automotive industry and he is completely unsure about his future. There is redundancy plan and redundancy plans. He has avoided layoffs so far. He is looking for a new job, but he can't find one. Many of his colleagues have already lost their job and are also trying to find a new job. All new jobs are far less well paid. Today, his company pays him for 3 days, but give him more than 5 days of work to do. In order to not lose a job, he is forced to do things he doesn't really want to do. He used to be a manager, and now he is back to merely just executing orders. He doesn't know where he is going. But if he doesn't do anything, he will be fired at a time when he has no hope of finding a proper job. He has completely lost control of his life. Dan had no technical skill and had no business knowledge. He clicked on the link near this video until his detail and received the free video series. Dan followed the step to start his new online business. He followed and committed to the process. And now he has the time, financial and geographical freedom. He is an active member of our community. Click now on the link next to this video to get access to a series of free videos that show you the next step to take to start your own online business and achieve time and financial independence in your life. You are ready to start your own business, but the transition is difficult to imagine. Perhaps you have tried to start something online. It's not so easy for everyone. You have the intimate feeling that you need to act, but you don't know where to begin. You have understood that there is no get-rich-quick solution. Many people think it is difficult and risky to start a new business. This is true in the traditional economy. In the digital economy, you define where you want to go. You can work to pay your bills and spend your time with your family, or travel around the world. Or you can perform a little more and create a bigger business with employees who will work for you. You take back full control of your life. You can start in addition to your current job and take no risks at all. This can remain an additional income, and you can prepare in this way for your retirement. Click now on the link near this video to get access to a series of free videos that show you the next step to take to start your own online business and achieve time and financial independence in your life. I would like to thank you for watching. I hope that if you are unsure about your future and you would like to be financially independent, then you will click now on the link next to this video. You will enter your detail on the next page to get access to a series of free videos that will help you achieve time and financial independence in your life.